Good morning. Good morning. It's nice seeing each and every one of us today. My name is Eminent Augusta, the Alpha Lion Entrepreneur. The last episode of Making Your Vision a Reality is all about success. So, let's talk about success today. If you're new here, it's great and nice having you. This is the first time you're seeing this video. I'll really appreciate each and every one of us to subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button and the subscribe button so that you can be updated on all information that I'll be releasing on this channel. It's my way of giving back to the society, becoming a better version of myself, and also helping as much people as I can. So today, let's talk about success. Let's wrap up the Making Your Vision a Reality episode today. Let's talk about success. Now, some of us think that success is simple. Now, if anybody have ever told you that it's simple, it's easy, then trust me, that person is lying. There's nothing like an Indomie success. Know that success will take you time. I need you to know that success will take you time and pain. It must cost you something for you to gain something. So when a person is well carved out through a process, from a sufficient training, then trust me, the person will do all they can to make sure that the training they've received is being acted upon and becomes powerful in their hands by taking action. Then there, I will tell you that that person has been able to control the process, because it's not all about the end result. It's about who you're becoming in the process. And trust me, this person becomes a brand. Now, Jeff Bezos once said that a company's reputation, a brand is a company's reputation. Now, a brand for a company is like a reputation to a person, and you must do all you can to protect your reputation. You earn reputation by doing the hard things, by getting the hard things right. Your consistency in doing hard things and getting results, doing those hard things well, makes you a brand, and that gives you repetition, because that recognizes you for success in the outside world. Now, becoming successful is not easy. It's not a child's play. Now, everyone here listening to me right now, I need you to know that the same head Dangote has is the same head you have. The same head Mark Zuckerberg have is the same head you have. Each and every one of us have the same head. What makes the difference is your ability to take advantage, use the God's given talent in you, the creativity. Our brain is so powerful that many of us make it so lazy. If you know how powerful your brain is, you know that you've not even made use of 1/10 of your brain. So there are things that you need to pay attention to in order for you to discover the creativity, the genius in you. And these things are the things that affect your success and decision making. And what are they? They are the five senses. There are five body parts that if you pay attention to positively, will make you successful. The first is your eye. Yes, your eye, your sight, your eye, the gift of sight and vision. Now, you need to know that you need to be careful with what you look at. What you look at affects your decision. What you look at every day affects the decision you are making. So tamper with your brain based on what you see, because whatever you set your eyes on also tampers with your brain. So be careful what you set your eyes on. Every morning I wake up, I set my eyes on my vision board directly looking at me right now. What do you set up your eyes on? Do you wake up and you set your eyes on negative news? Do you wake up and you set your eyes on refuse? Do you wake up and you set your eyes on someone frying akara or bread or something that doesn't signify prosperity? Now, train your eyes to make sure that whatever you're looking at is what will make you successful. Tamper with your eyes to keep seeing good things, great things. For example, we don't have control of what we see, and that is why it's very good when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you should be seeing is the spiritual words, your Bible or your Quran. Then after that, you should take a look at your vision, read your goals, go through your vision board, empower yourself, go through positive and powerful inspiring things, feed your eyes with positive things, because this will affect your decision making. The second sense is what we call the ear. Yes, the ability to hear. What you allow enter your ear affects your decision making, and it affects your success. Now, most of us are too spiritual for success. Yeah, you're too spiritual for success. Now, for example, when I sing a song like Burna Boy or all these happening songs, all these worldly songs, now guess what? Many of us tend to grab it immediately. Many of us tend to flow with the songs. But guess what? When I tell you that you have 50 million naira in your bank account or that you're a millionaire, many of us don't understand that. Why? Because we've not tempered with our mind, we've not fed our ears with things that we believe. You are so conversant with music, worldly music, but you are not conversant with the goal of who you want to be, your reality, that you want to become a millionaire. Guess what? When someone meets me and tell me I'm a multi-millionaire, I already know, because I've been feeding myself that. When someone tell me I have 50 million naira in my account, I already know. I know what to do and how to get it done, because I've already fed my head with that. So you yourself, you want to become successful in life, you want to become a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, or even a billionaire. Have you fed yourself with that? Temper your mind, temper your brain with the things you really want to achieve in life. Now, I also want us to be very careful to things that we listen. Yes, very important. Be careful to things that you listen. Deliberately every day, force yourself to listen to positive things. Now, you need to know that the best hour of a man is between 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. in the morning, and also 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. What you feed your eyes on and what you feed your ears on is very important at these particular hours of the day, because it determines where you'll be in the next 5 years. It determines how your future will be. It determines the level of success you attain for the rest of your life. So be careful. Now, the next sense I want to talk about is the nose. Yes, the nose. Some of you like, how is the nose going to affect my success in life? Because good smells, it's, in fact, a smell can, there's nothing as memorable as a smell. So you need to learn how to smell good, learn how to perceive good things. Now, good smells help you to take a good decision. So be careful of what you smell. It affects your decision making. Yes, there's nothing as powerful as a smell, as a memorable smell, because you can forget everything, but but you can't easily forget the way something smells. So always smell good, ensure your environment smell good, and smell good things, because it affects your decision making. Now, the last but not the least is the second to the last is the mouth. Yes, the mouth. Ensure you eat something good. Ensure you test something good, because it affects your decision making. Very, very important. An important factor to success. What you say, what you test affects you greatly and determines how successful you be. So learn how to test good things. Now, the last but not the least is the touch, the sense of the touch. Yes, your hand. Learn how to touch beautiful, great, smooth things. Learn how to touch them. Now, be careful with who you sleep with and where you sleep. It affects your decision making and it affects your success. Very important. Be careful with who you sleep and where you sleep. It affects your decision making. Be careful. All the body parts feed our conscious mind. If you intentionally, deliberately, positively influence these five senses, it fits your conscious mind. And when it fits your conscious mind, guess what happens? It enters your subconscious mind. And once things enters your subconscious mind, it becomes dangerous, because it's built up. It's in the subconscious mind that momentum is being built. And once momentum is built, guess what? It affects your decision making. So where you are right now, whether you are successful or you're not, or you are still attaining more height, whatever position you are right now, whatever level of life you are right now, trust me, that level of where you are right now is traceable to your habits. Yes, very important, traceable to your habits. And your habit is traceable to what you allow enter into your senses. Your habit is traceable. Get this right. Wherever you are right now, your success is traceable to your habits. And for you to have the habit of successful and great people, it's all traceable. It's still traceable back to what you feed your senses with. So guys, make sure we are feeding our senses right, deliberately, intentional, feeding our senses with positive vibe. Thank you very much. I remain my humble self, Eminent Augusta, the Alpha Lion Mentor. If you learned something today, if you learned something today and you were impacted today, I would really appreciate you click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button, so that you get more information. In fact, you'll be the first person to receive a notification once any episode or segment is released. Thank you very much and have a great week. Bye bye.